Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Cuesta, and today I'll be doing numbers 1 and 5. Today we're going to start with number 1. The question goes as follows. The figure shows 3 long parallel current carrying wires. The magnitudes of the currents are equal and the directions are indicated in the figures with the X and the dot and whatnot. Which of the arrows drawn near the wire carrying current 1 correctly indicates the direction of the magnetic force acting on the wire? So we know in this case, if we have two wires that have current flowing through them, if they're both going in the same direction, they attract. But if they're going in opposite directions, they repel. However, although number 1 here and 3 do attract, number 2 is closer, and because the distance is a lot smaller, its effect is a lot stronger. So they repel, overpowering the attraction between 1 and 3. Therefore making it so that the direction of the magnetic force is A, to the left. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.